You're doing that all by yourself?
Yes.
You're strong. Here comes a car. You want to stop? Okay, just stay right where you are. All right, go. Huh? Let's go to the pond. It's okay. I'm watching, babe. You're doing great.
Here comes another car.
Another car. All right.
No.
That's a heavy load.
See.
Good job.